Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Good Time by Rae Jepsen and Owl City. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, C major, G major, and A minor. If you know those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Our next chord is going to be C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is going to be G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord for this song is going to be A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and G major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down. Let's try that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's apply the chord progression to the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that chord progression and strumming pattern a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Good Time. Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Good morning and good night. I'll wake up at twilight. It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, it's always a good time. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on that link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Good Time by Rae Jepsen and Owl City. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.